Okay.
It's some type of rubber, but it has like, I don't,
I'm down to the file, hear it?
And bongo.
I think it has metal, like,
You got it. It's gonna be probably about the best.
You can see it took the 3/8 skin completely right down to the pile.
So were you?
All right, here we go. Right on.
I know Freeport McMahon did a huge project years ago. They own a molybdenum sulfide.
So what we did is to analyze the styrene glutamine and wood bonds best way.
Yeah, that's what
Try
we
to
did.
get a polymer that is flexible, whereas here it's not good. But I
No, you don't like them, but
Hey, no.
Can you see the color, Taylor? Can you see it? Like,
yeah.
It's green.
So like that,
Yep.
that's just because the thing is it's really important to apply it in all the areas and so the surface is covered, otherwise it's not going to adhere to the belt. So
just all real good.
Helmet, hanging the ground a couple times.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe I should mix the primer from this. Yeah, I will.
Should be New York. Justin's bringing me my spreader.
There you go.
Thank you.
Jess, would you look at your clock?
we have to get the second one ready once.
I like to see it move to the hole without us forcing it.
I made it, we decided to put in a bucket like this, one-handed, you can do a pretty darn good job.
And I know, I'll get it for you, buddy.
Yep.
I know you can't do this with any other product. You scrape a lot more out of here.
Yeah, you're gonna have to mix the next one to do the edges. But
When you do the touch-up, you say, that's enough.
Start leaving brush marks.
I'm done.
Yay!
it's a wrap.
Done.